Welcome back to the channel. I'm Colin, and this will be a short video about the Kiwi Ears B-Media collaboration 2-pin cable. This is actually my first cable video on the channel. I don't typically review cables as I don't think cables make a big enough difference in sound for me to review them. Even if they do, it wouldn't make sense to compare them as everyone will be swapping out a different cable as the baseline. So if you're here for a sound review, I'm sorry to have to disappoint you. But there are actually some things on this cable that is worth talking about. First, this cable goes for $45.99. It is made from 4N single crystal copper conductors with cable jackets made from a 400D bulletproof material, which should actually be a Kevlar-like material. I've actually been using them for a couple of weeks now, while I review the 7Hz Divine. There isn't a lot of microphonics on the Terras cable, and it's a very comfortable cable, thanks to its cable jacket. So let's talk about the cable material itself. Compared to the stock cable of the Kiwi Ears Ether, the Terras cable is a bit thicker, but also different to the touch. It's smoother to the touch. When I glide my fingers along the stock cable, it grips. And when I glide my fingers along the Terras, it slides through more smoothly even if it's thicker. Since the material is known for not sticking, it's a good cable jacket as it doesn't stick to your skin and untangles more easily when it tangles. The second thing I want to talk about is this end plug. It's a modular plug and it comes with a mini jack, balance jack, and a USB-C jack with an internal DAC inside. It's super convenient when you don't want to carry a dongle and has decent power to drive most IEMs. The end plug is super compact, about the same length as the stock Kiwi Ears cable, even if it's a modular plug. Last, I also like that the 2-pin connector is flush, so it works better with flat 2-pin IEMs. So that's my take on the Kiwi Ears and B-Media Black Terras cable. It's a no-nonsense IEM cable that would make a great replacement cable.